You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce these two words in English, these two numbers. It is essentially the same pronunciation for both, but you just change the first letter, and you can see, of course, the spelling is similar as well. So the top word here is million. Let's break it down. Mi, a short E sound. Mi, li, n. The stress is on the first syllable. 1 million. Yeah. The bottom word is 100 times a million, or 1,000 times a million, and it's said as billion. Alright, so just replace the M with a B. B, li, n. Billion. Stress on the first syllable again. Billion or and million. Million, billion. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.